I need to teach right now. I squared is equal to -1, okay? So we're going to distribute here. So now we're going to multiply. What's 4i times 3? 12i. What's 4i times -5i? -20i squared. Okay, I'll pause there for a moment. -20i squared. Do we know what I squared is equal to? Good job. So it'd be 12i minus 20 times -1. So that'd be 12i plus 20. All right. If you had a good teacher last year, so probably Miss Mitchell students, could y'all tell me, do y'all know if that's right or not? What if I told you there's something wrong about this? Do you remember there's some, whenever you're writing complex numbers, what you're supposed to do? What looks off about this one that, like, compared to the ones up here? What looks off about this one? Good. Yes. It's one of my students. Finally. It's because Cole wasn't here today. So the I is supposed to come last. I don't know if they'll count. I mean, technically they don't. This is not really. I would probably count off on that, honestly, because that's now I got to teach you that. I haven't taught you that. I was having y'all guess, but you're supposed to put the real part first, the imaginary part second. So that's the way it's supposed to be. Now, would they? I bet they'll say like in terms of A plus BI, but just put the real part first, imaginary second. Here we're going to distribute twice. I'm going to distribute 7 into there, -3 into there. Okay. What's 7 times -2? Good. 7 times -5i. Good. -3i times -2. 6i. I'll pause after this one. Negative times a negative is positive. What's 3i times 5i? 15i squared. I'll pause there for a moment. Okay, so that's... too fast here. What's I squared equal to? Do y'all know like the trick that this 15 times -1? What could I just put? Could I just change this to -15? That's a trick. You could just change the sign of that. So -14 minus 15 would be what? -29. -35i plus 6i would be -29i. I would never put an answer down on the test on this without actually checking it in the calculator. So I wouldn't do this without... I'll check the first one. 4 second period. What is it? 3 minus 5i. So I know it sounds bad, but if it's tested on it to show work on, I'll probably just type it in my calculator and be done with it. But, and I know you're like, well, that's a bad teaching habit. Well, the thing is, on the ACT, you're allowed to use this. So that's kind of the only, so you're allowed to use it on the ACT. So I don't have a problem with it.